Imagine a world where digital boundaries are constantly being pushed. A place where you can step into alternate realities and transact in ways you never thought possible. Welcome to the dawn of new era where virtual reality and cryptocurrency converge to create something truly extraordinary. As of now, VR is not just for gamers anymore. It's evolved into a tool so powerful that it's transforming the entire industry. And then there's a cryptocurrency, the financial revolution that has taken the world by storm. Just think about the currency that has no borders and that offers secure and transparent transactions, which operates on the blockchain technology. Now, what if I tell you that these two groundbreaking technologies are coming together? The fusion of VR and the cryptocurrency is creating a new realm of possibilities and expanding the boundaries of what's possible. And VR in turn is taking cryptocurrency experiences to an entirely new level. And it's like stepping into an immersive platform where you can trade, game, learn and collaborate. Imagine buying digital assets in a virtual world, transferring the virtual property securely and engaging in virtual commerce, all powered by a security of blockchain. And this is not just a science fiction, but this is happening now. And here is an exciting twist. Did you know that even celebrities are getting into the action? Recently, many famous personalities have been buying land in the virtual world, recognizing the incredible potential of these digital landscapes. From this, you can imagine that how far this era is going and the future is unfolding right before our eyes. And to know more about this immersive experience, you can look out at the Fifthscape. It's a platform that seamlessly integrates cryptocurrency and VR. Fifthscape is creating an ecosystem where users can immerse themselves in virtual worlds, engage in secure digital transaction and explore new economic models. By leveraging the power of blockchain, Fifthscape ensures that every transaction is transparent and efficient. Also, Fifthscape is offering its token as a medium to invest, making it more secure and liquid. Through the ongoing pre-sale round, you have the chance to invest in this revolutionary project at a discounted price. And by investing in Fifthscape, you not only support cutting-edge technology, but also you have the potential to increase your money 5x in the upcoming year. So if you are excited about the future of VR and cryptocurrency and you want to be a part of this groundbreaking venture, don't miss your chance to invest in the Fifthscape.